What's up, YouTube? It's the Heli guys again, and I remembered that we never introduced ourselves in the past videos. So I'm Jonah, this is Daniel, and we're the Heli guys. And today we are going to be trying to get this thing in the air. So it needs quite a bit of work. We're going to tear this thing from top to bottom, completely go through it, and just make sure everything's good. He's going to go through the manual, and he's going to throw all the linkage together with the micrometer, because there's a bunch of stuff that we found that's off, and go from there. So time lapse. Well, we spent the better half of 2 days trying to get this thing all gone through and set up, and it's ready to try to hover. So I'm going to pull up some cars, get some light over there on the pad, and we'll see what happens. Also, sorry I couldn't get most of the build on camera. It died a couple of times on us, so I'll figure something out for that. All right, just like last time, in the dark.
Got it spinning up pretty
Yeah.
good, but the gyros having some
Hell, it's
issues.
only,
Oh,
it's 8 o'clock
on
almost.
the tail.
Or no, it's 8:30.
It really wants to start shaking hard on the ass end.
So we're just trying to get that figured out now. I was taking a video a minute ago, and I think I screwed it up,
fast.
so I had to delete it doing a retake. So you kind of missed a little bit, but not really a whole hell of a lot.
Is it just trying to take
I'll be
off
back in
on
just a
you?
second.
There's the man.
Damn, it's cold out here. Do it again. Still doing it. Well, it's not as bad as it was. Oh geez. Start dancing on us. That is so weird. In the few months that I've been piloting helicopters, I've never seen that. What do you think the problem here is?
I don't know, I'm gonna try and split up that gear switch flipped.
So with heading hold off, it doesn't wag. That is weird. Oh.
It could be that servo is not meant to pair with that gyro.
Yeah, it could be.
Because that's an aligned servo on the Futaba gyro.
Yeah, hell, we might try that gyro from the Raptor in there. Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm thinking.
Yeah, it's worth a shot.
Yep. Alright.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and change out that gyro and servo for the tail and come back to it. Well, I think this is gonna be a two-part video because I've already got an hour worth of footage to go through, so more on the eBird.